Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will see how we can do concatenation in PHP. So let's jump into the text editor. Here I have created a new file concat.php with HTML structure, and in here we just have one h1 tag. Now let's put in some PHP. Let's create 2 or 3 variables. I hope you already know how to create variables in PHP. So let's name our first variable as first name. I am assigning my own name in the first name, and I guess you already know what our second variable will be called. It's the last name, and once again I am assigning my own last name in there. Okay, so we have our two variables, first name and last name. Now I want to display my full name. Okay, but I won't use two echo statements. If I use two echo statements, fine, I can get my full name displayed in the browser. But I want to use one echo statement and I want to display my full name. So how we can do that? Yes, we can do that with the help of concatenation in PHP. So let's put our echo statement and then our variable name, which is first name, then a dot. This is the concatenation in PHP with that dot. Okay, so the dot and then our second variable, which is last name, then end this statement with a semicolon. So what this statement actually is doing, it's taking the first name and it's taking the last name, and then with the help of this dot it is concatenating both the strings, that it's merging both of them, and this whole thing is then getting echoed out in the browser. So let's go to the browser and hit refresh. So as you can see, we got our full name, Anirban Bhowmick. Actually my full name, not my full name, Anirban Bhowmick. Okay, so but this doesn't look that much good because there's no space in between. So let's put a space in between there. So how we can do that? We can do that by concatenating another string in between with a space like this. Okay, so here this is the first name, which we are concatenating it with a string which doesn't have any letters or alphabets in between, but rather it has a space in between because we need the space. So the first name is concatenated with the space which is in the strings, and then this first name with a space is concatenated with this whole last name. Okay, now this whole thing is getting displayed with this echo statement, with the help of this echo statement. Now go to your browser and hit refresh. Okay, I guess I haven't saved the file. Okay, let's save this. Now go to your browser and hit refresh. See, beautiful, right? We got the space in between. Now let me just show you one more thing, that if I have a variable called number and it is any number, so this is what this actually is. This is a integer, but if I have another number, see, this is a different variable. The first variable name is number and this is numbers, so both are different, don't confuse. So numbers, which is equal to 34. Okay, so the difference is that PHP will understand it as a integer because it doesn't have any double quotation marks here. So that means it's an integer data type which is being stored in this number. But this one, though it's a number 34, but it is inside the double quotes. That means PHP will treat this as a string, not as an integer. So this numbers is holding a string value which is equal to 34, but it's not 34, it's a string. Okay, so don't confuse. So let me just show you one more thing. If I echo this out, $number, save, come here, hit refresh. See, we got 34. Fine, but it's in the same line and it's not looking good. I want this 34 to be on the next line. So how we can do that? we can do that with the help of the beard tag. If you have done HTML, you already know that beard tag is used to break the line in HTML. And I have already told you that we can use HTML tags inside a string, and then we can echo that string out. So let me show you what I'm talking about. This is the first line. Okay, this is our first line, and after this line only we want a break. We want to go in the next line. So here I will write an echo statement, and I will put the double quotations for the string, and in here I will write the beard tag of HTML. And now I will go to the browser and I will hit refresh. See, this is on the next line. So we can use HTML tags inside a string, and we can also assign the whole string with HTML tags inside a variable, and we can use that variable to display the HTML tags. Like here only, what we did, we echoed out a space. So rather what we can do, we can also create a variable called space, which is equal to this. Okay, see, and now here what we will do, we will echo that variable out, so we don't have to write that every time. Save this. Now go to your browser, hit refresh. See, it's on the next line only. So we can use HTML tags inside a string, and we can assign them to a variable, and we can use that variables later on. So this is everything about concatenation in PHP, and in the next lecture we will do some math operations. I hope you're learning new things and you're really enjoying the lectures. So please like, share and subscribe my videos, and please show some love by subscribing to my channel. I just need your love, guys, and I hope you have a great day ahead, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, thanks.